Good morning, friends. Well, we have a problem in the garden. I saw this on yesterday and I said I have to get it out here and treat it today. On one of my clearance Home Depot hibiscus, we have, let me get you zoomed, an aphid problem. So if you've never seen aphids, this is what they look like. I'm going to try the neemoil spray and the neemoil with a little soap or whatever and water and see what happens. And then we'll be back for the results before the day is over. But I noticed the spots. I've been noticing the spots. But the thing about it, look at the beautiful. Let me zoom you back out first. Sorry about all the camera action. The beautiful flower that this thing produces. This is a pineapple hibiscus. I did get it on clearance, but I do have an aphid problem. Now that's the zoomed out version of the aphids right there. So we're going to go ahead and tackle this today and see if we can get some results, and I'll keep you posted. It is early in the morning, like 7 o'clock. But the other one, so now I'm figuring out based on that it might have been a problem with the other one. If anybody knows what this issue is, please just comment below, because this is the issue on the other one. Look at the leaves. So that's almost looking like it might have been aphid damages, and I might have bought it in with aphids on it. I'm not sure. But if you have any insight on that, this is the other pineapple hibiscus. It is heading. It's going to flower. There's no aphids on the head, but let's check under the leaves. There's just leaf damage and some kind of leaf disease. So if anybody knows what this is, comment below. But I'm going to go ahead and treat that because it's so close to my okra. I just need to go ahead and kill the aphids, since I do not want them to move to my beautiful motherland okra that's already got little head flowers on it. This is the motherland okra from Baker Creek that's supposed to grow 6 feet tall and hopefully give me lots and lots of okra. So stay tuned. Oh, I see some back here too. There's actually some back here too on that one. So this plant is covered in aphids. So we're going to go ahead and tackle those today. Okay, so I have this. I must have ordered it from Home Depot or something. Neemoil extract. It's an insecticide for aphids and whiteflies. Black spot, rusted powdery mildew, which looks like what might be on the other plant. And a miticide, controls spider mites. And I'm going to go ahead and I had this bottle, and it's open, so let me be careful. I had this bottle, which does the same thing. It had a little bit left in it, so I just did not pour it out. I added a little bit, eyeball, maybe 4 teaspoons or so of this to this bottle. And I'm going to go ahead and add water and a little bit of some Dr. Bronner soap, just a tad. Well, no, I'm not even going to do that. I'm not going to do the Dr. Bronner's. I'm just going to go ahead and do this with some neem oil and water and just see what happens with that. And then if it doesn't go away by tomorrow, then I'll go try something else. And actually maybe even read the instructions on this bottle and do what this bottle actually says. But since this was already had the insect killer in it, I'm going to go ahead and use it. And it's not food, so I'm like, well, it's not something I'm eating. I'm not going to eat those hibiscus. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a try. So stay tuned. Okay, here we go. I'm going to try to hold this phone and spray. And you want to saturate the plant. They're falling off, but I want them to die. I don't want them to travel somewhere else in the yard. And I'm just going to saturate the plant. They're not on the flower right now, so I'll leave that alone. try to get underneath because I'm holding the phone, so I can't hold the bottom of the leaf too. Make sure I just saturate it with this. And that may go ahead and clear up all of the issue. Because if it's falling off the top, of course it's going to the bottom. So you want to make sure you get them on the bottom so they can't stick and find a new home. So it's fully saturated. And we move on over here. Since this looks like some sort of fungus, we'll go ahead and hit the leaves on this. Just in case it decides to move over here and infest this plant. But we won't hit the pretty buds because I love seeing these flowers pop up every day. So now they've been fully treated. So whatever fungus is on there, hopefully that combats it, and we are good to go on those. So that has been taken care of, and I'll let you know if I see them again. I'll have some follow-up. Oh, it's on this side real good. I want to knock them down and kill them. Spray the ground around it. So I'll let you know what happens. We'll check around about 3 o'clock, see if any more activities on here. But they shouldn't be able to live in that if it really works. They should not be able to survive all of this spraying I've done. And we should have it fully healed. So thank you for watching thus far. I will come back with some results to make sure this evening that it's not, oh goodness, they over here. I forgot about this bud. I want to knock them and cover them and kill them. Okay, so we'll come back this evening, see if they're done congregating, see if, so we left some. I couldn't get them all off immediately, but we'll see if they are starting to recongregate. I just want them to get off and stay off. Oh goodness, now I've upset the little wasp. See this wasp that has just landed? Not sure if you could see it on the ground. I don't know, he may not make it because he came to the wrong place at the wrong time. But okay, so I will see what happens. Stay tuned. Okay, fam, so it looks like it worked. I mean, it'll be a few more days or so, but now it's 12 o'clock. It's been 5 hours since I put the insecticidal soap on. And I see no more movement. I do see some crawling right there, but those are the ants that come after the aphids. So we'll look at this over the, the few upcoming weeks in the garden updates and see how it fared. So this looks a little bit better too. So hopefully, eventually I'll probably have to pull the diseased leaves and go ahead and just kind of prune it back and let the healthy leaves thrive a little bit more. But I hope you learned something about treating aphids from this video and know what they look like, what the signs are. And if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, share, and ring that bell for notifications. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. I'm gonna leave you with this beauty.